Meaning of double precision.
Double precision.
Double precision.
Double precision.
Double precision. Double precision is a term used to describe the numerical precision of a computer's floating-point representation of numbers. It is a standard used in computing to signify a binary representation of real numbers that uses twice the amount of bits than a single precision number. This allows for a greater range of values and higher precision in calculations. In double precision, numbers are represented using 64 bits, with 1 bit for the sign, 11 bits for the exponent, and 52 bits for the mantissa.